very good that we have participated in this TTF fair, and we have found a very good response from the market. And we have also participated in Ahmedabad as well, and the response was very good. Since this COVID pandemic has affected the tourism industry very badly, now we are seeing that the things are getting covered up, and I hope it will get covered up very soon. We are getting good response from market. People from South India also are visiting this fair, and we are looking forward to have a good support from travel trade and corporate team. So let's hope for the best, and looking forward for the support from the people, so that the tourism industry will develop and come up with bright colors.
Mumbai, we all know, is the biggest market in the Indian tourism sector, and TTF is one of the biggest exhibitions happening. So physical mart means we are coming and interacting with the travel trade this first 2 days. Yesterday it was a very good moment. We are here after the present physical show in Calcutta and Ahmedabad. So this is the third open meeting after the pandemic. So we are expecting a good moment for these festive seasons, Puja as well as Diwali and Christmas. I think most of the bookings has reached hotels and the tour operators. We are getting plenty of inquiries. Good moment for all of us that we are coming back to the track on the tourism circuit, and we wish this festive and this winter season can be a better for comeback for the tourism sector.
Physical roadshows means confidence. End of the day, if you meet with anyone face to face, right, so you will find the confidence. वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो वापस आता है, मेरे को दिख रहा है ट्रैवल ट्रेड्स में, ट्रैवल पार्टनर्स के अंदर और हर एक वेंडर्स के अंदर, कि ऑफ कोर्स थैंक्स टू टीटीएफ, एटलीस्ट उन्होंने इनिशिएटिव लिया आफ्टर कोविड, और ये जो इन्होंने किया है सुपर हिट किया है, और मैं सबको अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि जो फिजिकल रोड शो है ना, उसका आप किसी से भी कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते हो. फिजिकल मीन्स फिजिकल.
हम हर टीटीएफ में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, गुजरात में भी करते हैं और मुंबई में भी करते हैं, ओटीएम में भी करते हैं. खास तो मार्केटिंग है, टीटीएफ से हमें बहुत ही अच्छा मार्केटिंग मिलता है. एक्चुअली हमारा रिसोर्ट को वैसे कोई जानता नहीं है, लेकिन टीटीएफ के माध्यम से सब ट्रैवल एजेंट यहाँ आते हैं, हमारे रिसोर्ट वाले भी यहाँ आते हैं और हमें जानते हैं कि भाई स्वप्न सृष्टि में इतना सारा कुछ है, और माउथ टू माउथ प्रचार करके हमारा बिजनेस काफ़ी बढ़ जाता है इससे.
Well, my main objective was to have a physical interaction with the people. Where see, now the time is completely going on online business category, so it doesn't provide our kind of approach on online. We just send mails and we deliver whatever the rates and everything which is feasible. But at this platform we get to have a word with the person who is in charge of travels, marketing, hotels and everything. So yeah, the main objective was to have a word with people connected with the tourism industry. Well, the response is pretty good, and it's above my expectations, because even the people who are wanting to have the business apart from this COVID thing, even they are eagerly waiting for someone to just take up some travel packages from here to there or something like that. Even the hoteliers, all the travel agents, each and everyone is very enthusiastic towards having business.